Good morning, Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Happy birthday today to Maya Santel and Brooke Riley. Have a great day. A reminder about being a good digital citizen today on Remote Wednesday. While online, remember to find a quiet spot without distractions to do your online work today. Stay focused and complete all your tasks. Use kind and encouraging words while you're online. And remember to use the raise your hand button and remain muted while others are speaking. Reach higher to be your best today for our third Remote Wednesday. Make it a great day, Huskies.